Hi, and welcome. My name is Lindsay from the Community Library, and I need to make a fresh batch of my homemade hummingbird nectar. So I want to take you along with me. It's quick and easy, and then you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the hummingbirds all summer long. The ruby-throated hummingbird is in our area, so now is the perfect time to put out your feeders. And homemade hummingbird nectar is simply sugar water. Feeders come in different shapes and sizes. This is one of my hummingbird feeders, and this is an ant guard. It's optional, but you fill it with water and it stops the ants from flocking to your sugar water solution. You'll see that there's a lot of red on a hummingbird feeder, and that's because hummingbirds are attracted to the color red in nature. But please, please, please do not use red food coloring in your homemade hummingbird nectar. It's not necessary, and it can even hurt your hummingbirds. So let's get started. The recipe for homemade hummingbird nectar is 1 cup of sugar to 4 cups of water. You can scale that recipe up or down as long as you follow the 1:4 sugar to water ratio. So we'll need 1 cup of sugar, 4 cups of water, and a medium-sized saucepan. I like to make a few days of sugar water at one time, so I store the extra in this glass jar in my refrigerator. Now here's the best part. Take your hummingbird feeder outside, hang it up, sit back, and watch the magic happen.